How to create a business plan for the Indian market, a 30-point guide. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success in the dynamic Indian market. It provides structure, direction, and a framework for navigating challenges and capitalizing on opportunities. Without a plan, you're essentially driving blind. The Indian market presents unique characteristics that demand careful consideration. Factors like diverse consumer preferences, regional variations, and evolving regulatory landscapes require a tailored approach. A generic business plan simply won't cut it. Your executive summary is a concise overview of your entire business plan. Think of it as an elevator pitch that captures the essence of your venture. It's often the first thing investors or lenders will read, so make it count. Clearly articulate your value proposition. What problem are you solving, and how does your solution benefit your target market? This section should immediately grab the reader's attention and highlight the unique value you bring to the Indian market. Identify your target market with precision. Who are your ideal customers in India? What are their needs, preferences, and purchasing behaviors? A well-defined target market is crucial for effective marketing and sales strategies. Summarize your expected financial performance. Include key metrics like revenue projections, profitability forecasts, and cash flow estimates. This section demonstrates the financial viability of your business and its potential for growth. Make a strong first impression. Your executive summary should be compelling, clear, and concise. It should leave the reader wanting to learn more about your business and its potential in the Indian market. Define your mission, vision, and values. These core principles guide your business decisions and shape your company culture. They also communicate your purpose and values to customers, employees, and investors. Specify your legal structure. Are you a sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited company, or another type of entity? The choice of legal structure has significant implications for liability, taxation, and regulatory compliance. Understand the implications of your legal structure within the Indian context. Each structure has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that best suits your business needs and long-term goals. Consult with legal and financial professionals to make an informed decision. Provide a brief history of your company, if applicable. This section offers background information and establishes credibility. Highlight key milestones, achievements, and lessons learned along the way. Clearly describe your products or services. What exactly do you offer to the Indian market? Explain the features, benefits, and value proposition of your offerings in detail. Market analysis is crucial for success in the Indian market. It provides insights into the competitive landscape, customer needs, and market trends. This information is essential for making informed business decisions and developing effective strategies. Define your target market in detail. Create an ideal customer profile that includes demographics, psychographics, and purchasing behaviors. The more you know about your target market, the better you can tailor your products, services, and marketing efforts to meet their needs. Segment your market to focus on specific regions or groups. India is a vast and diverse country, so it's important to identify the segments that are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This allows you to target your marketing efforts more effectively and maximize your return on investment. Analyze the market size and trends. What is the overall market potential for your products or services in India? What are the key trends that are shaping the market? Understanding the market size and trends is essential for assessing the viability of your business and identifying opportunities for growth. Identify the growth potential of your business. What are the opportunities for expansion and diversification in the Indian market? How can you leverage emerging trends and technologies to grow your business? A clear understanding of your growth potential is essential for attracting investors and securing funding. Recognize emerging trends in your industry. Stay up to date on the latest developments in your industry and identify new opportunities for innovation. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market conditions. Understand government policies and regulations. The Indian government plays a significant role in shaping the business environment. Stay informed about relevant policies and regulations that may impact your business. Compliance is crucial for avoiding legal issues and maintaining a positive reputation. Identify your direct and indirect competitors. Who are the other companies that are offering similar products or services in the Indian market? Understanding your competition is essential for developing a competitive advantage and differentiating your business. Analyze your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and market share. What are your competitors doing well? Where are they falling short? How can you capitalize on their weaknesses and differentiate your business? Identify your competitive advantages. What makes your business unique and better than the competition? What are your key differentiators? Clearly articulate your competitive advantages in your business plan. Provide a clear and concise description of your products or services. Explain what they are, how they work, and what problems they solve. Use clear and simple language that is easy for your target audience to understand. Highlight your unique selling points. What makes your products or services special? What are the key features and benefits that differentiate them from the competition? Focus on the aspects that are most appealing to your target market. Explain the benefits for the Indian consumer. How will your products or services improve their lives? What value do they offer? Tailor your messaging to resonate with the specific needs and preferences of Indian consumers. Adapt your products or services to local preferences. Consider the cultural nuances, tastes, and preferences of the Indian market. Make any necessary modifications to ensure that your offerings are well received by your target audience. Outline your plan for reaching your target market. How will you create awareness of your products or services? How will you generate leads and convert them into customers? A well-defined marketing and sales strategy is essential for driving revenue and achieving your business goals. Utilize a mix of digital and traditional marketing channels. Consider social media, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and email marketing. Also explore traditional advertising options like print, radio, and television. Choose the channels that are most effective for reaching your target market in India. Develop a competitive pricing strategy. Consider your costs, the purchasing power of your target market, and the prices of your competitors. Strike a balance between profitability and affordability to attract customers and maintain a sustainable business. Outline your sales strategy. How will you distribute your products or services? Will you use a direct sales team, online channels, or a network of distributors? Consider using a customer relationship management (CRM) system to manage your sales process and track customer interactions. Introduce your key personnel. Highlight their experience, expertise, and qualifications. Demonstrate that you have a capable and experienced team in place to execute your business plan. Build investor confidence. Investors want to see that you have the right team to manage your business effectively. Showcase your team's strengths and demonstrate your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Develop realistic financial projections. These projections should be based on sound assumptions and market research. They should include startup costs, revenue projections, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. Estimate your startup costs. How much money will you need to launch your business? Include all expenses such as equipment, inventory, marketing, and legal fees. Be as accurate as possible to avoid running out of funds. Forecast your sales revenue. How much revenue do you expect to generate in the first few years of your business? Base your projections on market research, sales data, and realistic assumptions. Project your income, expenses, and profit. Create a profit and loss statement that shows your expected revenue, expenses, and net profit. This statement will help you assess the profitability of your business and identify areas for improvement. Analyze your cash inflows and outflows. Create a cash flow statement that shows how much cash you expect to generate and spend each month. This statement will help you manage your cash flow and avoid running into financial difficulties. Specify your funding needs, if applicable. How much funding do you need to launch or grow your business? Clearly state the amount of funding you are seeking and how you plan to use it. Include supporting documents. This may include market research data, permits, licenses, resumes of key personnel, and other relevant information. These documents provide additional support for your business plan and demonstrate your due diligence. Regularly review and update your business plan. The Indian market is constantly evolving, so it's important to keep your business plan up to date. Review your plan at least once a year and make any necessary adjustments to reflect changing market conditions. A well-crafted business plan increases your chances of success. It provides a roadmap for navigating the Indian market, attracting investors, and achieving your business goals. Invest the time and effort to create a comprehensive and well-researched business plan.